Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest content on interview preparation and career tips. Today we are diving into technical interview questions for software engineers, covering various programming languages and frameworks. Technical interviews can be challenging, but with the right preparation, you can ace them. Let's go through some common questions you might encounter and how to approach them. Data structures and algorithms. These are fundamental to software engineering interviews. A common question might be: explain how a hash map works. A hash map is a data structure that stores key values pairs. It uses a hash function to compute an index into an array of buckets from which the desired value can be found. The key hash code determines the bucket, and the multiple keys can have the same hash code, resulting in a collision. In case of collision, the hash map uses a linked list or a binary tree to store multiple values. The time complexity for get and put operation in a hash map is OI and average. Object oriented programming. Next, let's talk about object oriented programming. You might be asked, what are the four principles of OOPS? The four principles of OOPS are encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. Encapsulation is the practice of keeping fields within a class private, then providing access via public method. Abstraction is the concept of hiding the complex implementations, details, and showing only the necessary features. Inheritance is the mechanism by which one class can inherit traits from another class. Polymorphism allows objects to be treated as instances of their parent class rather than actual class, enabling one interface to be used for a general class of actions. Question number 3: programming language. Now let's move on to specific programming language. For instance, in JavaScript, you might be asked, what is the difference between var and const? Var is function scoped and can be redeclared, while let is block scope and cannot be redeclared within the same scope. Const is also block scoped, but it used to declare variable that should not be reassigned. However, the contents of a const object can be modified. Question number 4 are the frameworks. Frameworks are also a key topic. For example, in a React interview, you might be asked, what are React hooks? React hooks are functions that let you use state and other React features without writing a class. The most commonly used hooks are useState and useEffect. UseState lets you add state to functional components, while useEffect lets you perform side effects in function components, similar to lifecycle method in class components. Question number 5: system design. System design questions test your ability to architect large-scale systems. A common question is, how would you design a URL shortening service like bit.ly? First, discuss the core features: generating short URLs, redirecting to original URL, and handling large volume of requests. Next, design the database schema considering how to store and retrieve URLs efficiently. Discuss using a hash function to generate unique short URLs and handling collisions. Finally, consider scalability using load balancer, catching frequently accessed URLs and distributing data across multiple databases. Tips for technical interview success. Number 1, practice coding. Use platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and CodeSignal to practice coding problems. Number 2, understand fundamentals. Make sure you have a strong grasp of data structures, algorithms, and system design principles. Number 3, mock interviews. Practice with a friend or use service like Pram to simulate real interview conditions. Number 4, communicate clearly. Explain your thought process clearly and ask clarifying questions if needed. Number 5, stay calm. It's okay to take a moment to think. Stay calm and approach each question methodically. And that's it for today's video and technical interview questions for software engineers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your own interview experiences or questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more career advices and interview prep videos. Thank you for watching and good luck with your next interview.